Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. Today, our group we explain about the ship hatch covers and watertight sealing system. Below the subject DKM50173 Naval Architecture 2. My lecturer name is Mr. Nick Muhammad Hafiz bin Nick Abdul Rahman. So, I will introduce our member groups. My member group first is Stephen Carlos Kalong. Next, Ashif Bakhria bin Muhammad. And next, Muhammad Shahrul Razi bin Muhammad Kamal. And lastly, my name is Muhammad Aki Hidayat bin Muhammad Azmira. Okay, before we go so far, let me tell you about the table of contents. 11.1.1, we will describe and sketches an arrangement of modern weather deck mechanical steel hatches. 11.1.2 describe how water tightness is achieved at the coming and cross joints. 11.1.3 describe the cleating arrangement for the hatch covers. And 11.1.4 describe the arrangement of portable beams, wooden hatch covers, and tarpaulins. So now, I will explain about the 11.1.1 modern weather deck mechanical steel hatches. First, weather deck mechanical steel hatch covers are used to close and protect the cargo hold of a ship. The cargo hold is where goods are stored, so it must be fully protected from seawater, rain, and harsh weather conditions during the voyage. If water enters the cargo hold, it can damage the cargo, cause financial loss, and also affect the ship's safety. So, hatch covers play a very critical role in ensuring the ship operates safely and efficiently. Material and strength. These hatch covers are usually made from high-strength steel. The reason steel is used is because it is strong, durable, and able to withstand heavy loads. For example, during rough sea conditions, waves can hit the deck with very high force, so the hatch covers must be strong enough to resist the pressure without bending or leaking. At the same time, they must also support loads such as containers or equipment placed on top. Now, we go to the operation system. Next, modern hatch covers are operated using hydraulic or mechanical systems. In most ships today, a hydraulic system is used because it makes the operation faster and easier. This system uses hydraulic cylinders powered by oil pressure to open and close the hatch cover smoothly. The operation can usually be controlled from the deck, which reduces the need for manual labor and improve safety for the crew. Now, we go to the efficiency in cargo handling. One of the main advantages of modern hatch covers is that they are designed for quick opening and closing. This is very important during cargo operations at the port. The faster the hatch covers can be opened, the faster cargo can be loaded or unloaded. This helps to reduce port time, improve efficiency, and save operational costs for the shipping company. Now, we go to the types of hatch covers. There are several common types of modern hatch covers used on ships. First is the folding type, where the panels fold together when opened. Second is the rolling type, which move along tracks using wheels. Third is the side rolling type, where the panels roll sideways to one side of the hatch. And lastly, the lift away type, where each panel is lifted using a crane. Each type is selected based on the ship design and cargo handling requirements. Now, we go to the main arrangement and components. In terms of arrangement, the hatch cover panels are placed on top of a structure called the hatch coaming. The hatch coaming is the raised edge area the cargo hold opening, and it helps prevent water from entering. Between the hatch cover and the coaming, there is a rubber gasket seal. This gasket is very important because it ensures the hatch is watertight when closed. Depending on the design, the panels may also be connected using hinge or wheels, allowing them to move easily during operation. In conclusion, modern weather deck mechanical steel hatch covers are essential for protecting cargo from watertight and weather, ensuring ship safety, and lastly, improving cargo handling efficiency. Their strong steel construction, hydraulic operation, and effective sealing system make them much better compared to traditional hatch covers.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ashibaki Abdul Muhammad. My matrix number is 01 DKP22F 2013. Okay, so I will continue the presentation. Okay, for point 11.1.2, water tightness is achieved at the coamings and cross joint. Okay, water tightness prevents seawater entering a cargo hold. Then it is very important for cargo safety and ship stability. Achieved at H coaming and cross joint and uses sealing like with compression system. Water tightness means preventing seawater from entering the cargo hold. This is very important because water can damage the cargo and affect the ship's stability. Water tightness is mainly maintained at the coamings, which are the edge of the hatch, and the cross joints, which are the connection between hatch panels. Okay, for the coamings, hatch coamings equal to raised steel edge around hatch opening, fit with rubber gasket or seal. When hatch closes, cover presses down on gasket, creates tight seal. Compression force applied by clean hydraulic system. Some ships have drain channel to remove water. Okay, at the coaming area, rubber gaskets are used as seals. When the hatch cover is closed, it presses down on the gasket to create a tight seal. This pressure is applied by clean or hydraulic system. Some ships also have drain channels to remove any water that collects near the hatch. Next slide is water tightness at cross joints. Hatch coaming equal to raised steel edge around hatch opening. Then fit with rubber gasket, and then when hatch closes, cover presses down on gasket, create tight seal. Compression force applied by clean hydraulic system. Okay, some ships have drain channels to remove water. Okay, cross joints are the connection between two hatch cover panels. This area is more likely to have leakage if not properly sealed. To prevent these rubber seals and compression bars are used when the hatch is closed. Pressure is applied to ensure the joints are tightly sealed, even when the ship is moving or vibrating.
Good day everyone. I will continue the presentation about the cleating arrangement for the hatch cover. Cleats are devices used to secure the hatch cover tightly to the hatch coamings. Their main function is to compress the rubber gasket so that the hatch covers becomes watertight. These cleats are usually arranged around the perimeter of the hatch cover to ensure even pressure is applied on the sealing surface. There are three types of cleats. First, manual cleats, which are operated using spanner and levers. Second is hydraulic cleats, which work automatically using the ship hydraulic system. And number third is a quick acting cleats, which allow faster locking and unlocking using a lever mechanism. Each type is designed to ensure the hatch cover is properly secure and sealed. Good day everyone. Next, I will explain the function and importance of the cleating system. The main function of cleat is to press the hatch cover down onto the rubber gasket to maintain a tight and a watertight seal. This is very important because it prevents seawater from entering the cargo hold and also ensure that the hatch cover do not move during heavy sea condition. In addition, the cleating system helps accommodate slight movement of the ship structure, such as bending during sailing. For maintenance, cleats must be properly tightened and evenly adjusted. Regular inspection is also important to check for any wear or damage. If the cleating system is not properly maintained, it can lead to water leakage and damage to the cargo. Therefore, proper use and maintenance of cleats are essential for the safety of the ship and its cargo.
Hello everyone, my name is Stefan Carlos Kalong. My registration number is 01DKP 23F2010. As for my part, I'll be talking about the arrangement of portable beams, wooden hash covers, and tarpaulins. So, now I'll explain the traditional hash covering arrangement. The system consists of three main parts. First, portable beams. These are steel beams placed across the hatch opening to support the covers. They can be removed during cargo operations. Second, wooden hatch covers, also known as hatch boards. These wooden planks are placed on top of the portable beams to cargo the cargo hold. Third, tarpaulins. These are waterproof canvas sheets placed over the wooden hatch boards to prevent water from entering the cargo hold. The tarpaulins are secured using batten bars and wedges to keep them tight. Now, I will explain the advantages and disadvantages of the system. The advantages are that it has a simple design and is easy to repair. It does not require hydraulic system. However, there are several disadvantages. It requires more manual labor and takes more time to open and close. It is less watertight compared to modern steel hatch covers. It is also less strong and may not be suitable for heavy weather conditions. Because of these disadvantages, most modern ships now use mechanical steel hatch covers. In conclusion, hatch covers are essential for cargo protection and ship safety. Modern mechanical steel hatch covers provide better strength, efficiency, and watertight sealing compared to traditional systems. That's all from our group. Thank you.